We'll guide you through how to save TikTok drafts to your gallery without posting. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and for whatever reason you wish to go and save a draft to your gallery without posting. Perhaps it's quite personal, and so you want to go and save it and not go and post it, or perhaps it's just really funny and you want to do it. There's loads of different reasons why. It doesn't really matter, but we'll guide you through how it's done. So in order to go and save a draft, what you need to do is go and find the draft you want to do this with. So on your profile, go to the top left and press drafts. Now what you want to do is you need to go and select the draft. You need to go and open it up. You do have to do this one at a time. You can't go and say press select and do it this way. What you need to do is go through each one if you're doing multiple. If you're just doing one, that's fine. You can then tap on it over to the right, and you need to go to the bottom of this list here, and you need to go and press the arrow that's pointing down. That will go and open up more options, and at the bottom you're going to go and find the option for save. So what you can do is go and tap on save at the bottom. Now what you can do, it says save post with watermark or post without watermark. So you've got two options here. You can press save post with watermark and tap on it. Now what we can do is come to our photos and you'll go and see it here. The alternative option is to press next to the bottom. Where it says everyone can view this post, you can go and tap there and you can select only you. Then you can press post. So only you are going to be able to go and see it. I know it's not ideal, but if you really don't want the watermark, this is the only way. Come back to your profile page and press the padlock icon at the top and then find it. Here it is. Then you can go to the bottom right and press three dots and press download. So doing it this way will mean there's no watermark on it.